Oh, so Swap, this is Boscastle. We've not been for a while, have we, Swap? Swap, what are you ignoring for?
I'm not.
You're not doing that piggyback thing here.
I've just been to the toy shop and bought something.
Really?
Yeah.
Show me. Oh, he's jumping off, Swap.
Jesus.
It's a big hill, Swap. It's gonna rain, I can tell.
I was bought something.
Whoa, green man. Right at the top.
Hold on, Zoe.
Yeah, hold on.
This is Zoe, look.
What? Oh, is it little like stone type?
Zoe.
Junior seen it?
No, I don't want him to. It was 14 pounds.
Why? Why don't you want Junior to see it?
Because you know what he's like, he'll just throw it in like.
It won't. Why would he want to do that?
Because he says he don't like me.
He does like you, or he won't be on this holiday with us.
Well,
Hey, Swap!
Hmm.
What you got in there?
I just went to the toy shop and bought it. It was 14 pounds.
What have you bought?
Drugs. No, no.
Drugs?
No,
What?
No, not that. No, not that. It slipped
Swap,
out of my
Swap,
mouth.
Swap, just turn to me properly. I can't see you. Hold it for everybody. Ooh, what's that?
It's a special stone.
Really?
It matches you.
Imagine.
Yeah, what's that pink tail on your head? Is it?
What big tail?
Oh, is that a?
It's my big brother.
Well, it matches you.
Swap, it does come off my baby. It does.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to tie my baby, I'm telling Zoe. Do
What?
not. I'm going to look here and don't untie my baby.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
You're good.
Oh, Swap. How's it going with this thing? How's it, Swap? How's it going? How's it going, Swap? I'm asking you a question.
What?
How's it going with that?
What?
Don't put it away. I want to see it.
You could have come out at the same time as Junior, you know. I can't keep taking it out.
Oh, stone.
Yeah.
Swap, would you have a go at it? I think he's gonna jump again.
Yeah, I'm not.
Let's watch, Swap.
Yeah, I'm not getting it out anymore. I'm not getting it out anymore because I've got it out like 4 or 5 times or whatnot.
Wow, he did it. Did you see that, Swap? Sweet, Josh. Did you see it?
Must have seen it.
Hmm.
Oh, finally.
Whoa. It's his turn in a minute. Watch.
My turn.
No. Swap, please.
Can I open my lunch
No, Swap. Don't.
Yeah, put that away.
Oh, no.
Bowser,
Shut up. Swap.
shush me one more time and then you know what's gonna happen.
What do you mean? I don't know what's gonna happen. He's gonna jump.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw you in it, right? No. I'll hold on to it since you're not responsible.
Zoe! Oh, Swap, look at that. You think you're gonna see it, Swap?
What's this?
Swap? That's Michael's hat, Swap.
Oh, it's my hat, not his.
No.
No.
He's just here filming.
I'm gonna go to the jewelry shop now.
No, Swap, don't.
I'm holding
You've been Swap already.
No, I'm gonna buy
Look,
some.
he's in water, Swap.
I'm buying some for Cody.
We haven't seen Cody for a while.
Well, because he's at home, so...
There he is, Swap.
Yeah, Cody's at home, so I'm going. And that's fine, I'm 15, I'm holding it.
No, Swap, please, don't run away.
Oh, I'm at jewelry shop.
No, it's quite a walkway, Swap.
Oh,
Oh, Sweep, sit down.
no, I don't.
Now!
No,
Freddy, why are you going with him?
no, I'm not.
Why are you standing up with him then?
No, I'm just standing up to look at this.
Hmm.
I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
Swap, would you have a walk up this, or are you scared right? Swap. 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 Swap, don't. Swap. Swap, careful, you're gonna fall. I'm not rushing you to A&E if you fall and hurt it, land on a rock. What an idiot. Nobody wants to join you, Swap. Just don't pay any attention to him. It's two of them. Hi, Swap! Swap. 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 Come down. Swap, come back. Whee. Swap. Come back down. Oh, don't. Every time. Swap, get down. Here now. Swap. Freddy.
Come in.
Freddy, come.
What?
Yes, there you go. Sit.
What?
I want you to sit down.
No,
Zoe
I'm
wants to
gonna
have a...
jump.
No, sure, let Zoe have a meeting with you. Please, she didn't get to do it.
I'm gonna jump
No,
her.
please!
I'm
Oh, don't
Oh,
shout.
alright, so say bye.